Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is production, detection and uses of electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic radiations. Before I start this topic, I would highly recommend all the listeners to watch on my videos on electromagnetism, electromagnetic theory and electromagnetic spectrums, including emission and absorption spectrum, because thorough understanding of such fundamental concepts are very essential in practical engineering or physical analysis work. Therefore, I would recommend that do watch my videos based on these topics. So first of all, today we will study production and detection and uses of gamma rays. Gamma rays are produced when cobalt-60 decays to excited nickel-60 by beta decay. Nickel-60 drops down to ground state by emitting two gamma rays in succession. Gamma rays are also produced by alpha decay of americium-237 to form neptunium-237. And they are also produced by fission and fusion reactions, etc. Now, what are the uses of gamma rays and how we can detect gamma rays? For this purpose, we use spectrometers that use scintillators or solid state detectors to transform gamma rays into optical or electronic signals. Gamma rays imaging rely on nature of gamma rays interaction process, for example, pair production, etc. Now, gamma rays are used to kill living organisms by process called irradiation. Gamma rays are used to treat some types of cancer by procedure called gamma knife surgery, and used in nuclear medicine as well in imaging techniques. Next comes X-rays. X-rays are produced by the acceleration of a charged particle, by atomic transitions between discrete energy levels, and by radioactive decay of some atomic nuclei. And they are detected by photographic plates, films, rare earth screens, photostimulable phosphors, PSLs, and Geiger counters. X-rays are used in medical field, in angiography, for brain scanning, cancer detection, radiotherapy, examination of baggage at airports, and in dental. Now, ultraviolet waves. Ultraviolet waves are produced by the sun or UV bulbs or lights, and they are detected by skin or flesh and by fluorescent substances. And uses are in tanning, sun tanning, and security purposes. Now, visible light. Visible light is produced by the sun and by light bulbs, and they are detected by eyes, by photographic films, and their uses are in vision, photography, and photosynthesis. Now, infrared waves. Infrared waves are produced by hot or warm objects or by the sun, and they are detected by photographic films, by thermometers with a blackened bulb that absorbs radiation, then temperature rises. That is in photoelectric materials. And these infrared rays or infrared radiations or infrared waves are used in night vision, in TV and radio remote controls, and in lamps. Now, microwaves. Microwaves are produced by aerials, and they are detected by dishes or satellites, and their uses are in mobile phones, TV, satellite communications, and telephone. And lastly, radio waves. Radio waves are produced by transmitting stations and by aerials. They are detected by radio set, mobile phones, and they are used in radio communication. Thank you for watching.